Pakistan is bolstering its airspace security with a major new development. The nation has successfully unveiled its first fully indigenous drone defense system, named Safrah. This state-of-the-art technology is designed to detect, track, and neutralize hostile unmanned aerial vehicles, marking a significant leap in self-reliance and defense capabilities. Officials state this system provides a robust shield against evolving aerial threats. Safrah is now operational, reinforcing national security. In a notable diplomatic move, Pakistan has announced plans to establish an embassy in North Korea. This decision comes amidst ongoing international sanctions against Pyongyang and signifies Pakistan's intent to maintain diplomatic presence and engagement with the isolated nation. The move highlights Pakistan's independent foreign policy approach and its long-standing bilateral relations, even as global attention remains fixed on North Korea's nuclear program. A United States envoy has held crucial talks in Islamabad, focusing on regional stability, particularly regarding Afghanistan. Discussions with Pakistani officials centered on counter-terrorism efforts, border management, and humanitarian concerns within Afghanistan. This engagement underscores ongoing international efforts to address the complex challenges posed by the situation in Afghanistan and coordinate strategies for ensuring peace and security in the wider region. Globally, a growing consensus now views climate change not just as an environmental issue, but as a direct national security threat. Experts warn that extreme weather events, resource scarcity, and mass displacement fueled by climate change can exacerbate conflicts, destabilize regions, and strain military resources. This reframing emphasizes the urgent need for comprehensive strategies to adapt and mitigate climate impacts to maintain global and national security. From Gwadar to Washington, this is Pakistangeo Defence Update, Pakistan's voice in the world of defense and geopolitics. Please subscribe. A significant boost to Pakistan's development efforts has been announced by Germany, pledging a substantial €114 million in development cooperation. This funding is earmarked for critical sectors including renewable energy, climate resilience, good governance, and vocational training, aiming to foster sustainable economic growth and improve living standards across Pakistan. The commitment underscores Germany's continued partnership and support for Pakistan's reform agenda, particularly in areas vital for long-term stability and environmental sustainability. This financial assistance highlights the deepening bilateral relations and collective efforts to address global challenges, demonstrating Germany's role as a key development ally for Pakistan. Beneath the surface of public discourse, the relationship between the United States and Pakistan is subtly, yet profoundly, redrawing the geopolitical landscape of South Asia. Analysts suggest a quiet recalibration of ties, moving beyond traditional security paradigms to encompass broader strategic cooperation in areas like counterterrorism, regional stability, and economic development. This evolving dynamic reflects both nations' adapting interests in a multipolar world, potentially influencing alliances and power balances within the region. The nuanced engagement aims to navigate complex challenges, demonstrating a strategic convergence that could have long-term implications for the intricate web of relationships in South Asia. Commitment to strengthening defense ties has been reaffirmed by General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, the Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, during a recent visit to Brunei. General Mirza engaged in high-level discussions with Brunei's defense leadership, exploring avenues for enhanced military cooperation, including joint exercises, training programs, and intelligence sharing. This engagement underscores Pakistan's active diplomacy in Southeast Asia, seeking to forge stronger partnerships beyond its immediate neighborhood. The commitment reflects a shared vision for regional peace and security, highlighting the importance of collaborative efforts in addressing modern defense challenges and building robust military-to-military relations with key allies like Brunei Darussalam. Elon Musk's satellite internet service, Starlink, is reportedly set to commence operations in India, specifically targeting the state of Maharashtra. This marks a significant development for internet connectivity in the region, promising high-speed broadband access, particularly in underserved rural and remote areas where traditional infrastructure is lacking. Starlink's entry is expected to boost digital inclusion, support educational initiatives, and stimulate economic activity by providing reliable internet access to millions. While regulatory hurdles have previously delayed its launch in India, this move signals a breakthrough, bringing a new era of satellite-based communication to one of India's key states. In a highly significant diplomatic development, Saudi Arabia's defense minister has undertaken a rare visit to Iran, occurring amidst growing international concerns over Iran's nuclear program. This high-level engagement between regional rivals, following a period of thawed relations, is seen as an attempt to foster dialogue and de-escalate tensions directly. The visit highlights the complex dynamics of Middle Eastern geopolitics, where regional powers are navigating a delicate balance between competition and cooperation. Discussions likely centered on regional security, mutual concerns, and perhaps even efforts to prevent further nuclear proliferation, underscoring the critical importance of direct communication in a volatile region. Positive news on the economic front for Pakistan, as the Executive Board of the International Monetary Fund is reportedly expected to approve a crucial $1.2 billion tranche by early December. This anticipated disbursement is a vital component of Pakistan's ongoing Extended Fund Facility program, crucial for shoring up the nation's foreign exchange reserves and stabilizing its economy. The approval hinges on Pakistan's continued adherence to agreed-upon reforms and fiscal discipline. This financial injection will provide much-needed breathing room, signaling international confidence in Pakistan's economic management efforts and offering a pathway towards greater financial stability during challenging times. In a unique blend of national spirit and athletic prowess, Pakistan recently arranged its Defence Day boxing tournament, commemorating the sacrifices of its armed forces. The event brought together talented boxers from various services and civilian clubs, showcasing fierce competition and sportsmanship in the ring. Held as part of the wider Defence Day celebrations, the tournament aimed not only to promote boxing as a sport but also to instill patriotism and honor the nation's heroes. Spectators witnessed thrilling bouts, underscoring the resilience and competitive spirit of the participants. This initiative serves as a poignant reminder of national unity, blending remembrance with the vibrant energy of athletic challenge. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments section, and please answer today's question.